Welcome. If you're tired of getting spam messages from people you don't know on Discord Mobile, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to quickly filter spam messages from non-friends, so you can keep your chats clean and focus on what really matters: connecting with your real friends and communities. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Discord app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look down at the bottom right corner. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you straight to your user settings. Now scroll down until you find the section called Content and Social. Tap on that to open up more options. Here's where the magic happens. Under the Message Spam section, you'll see a setting called Filter from Non-Friends. This is the key to blocking those annoying spam messages. Tap on Filter from Non-Friends. Once you do, Discord will automatically start filtering out messages from people who aren't on your friends list. This means you'll only get direct messages from people you actually know and trust. It's that simple. No more sifting through random spam or worrying about suspicious links from strangers. With just a few taps, your inbox is safer, and your Discord experience is a whole lot better. If you ever want to change this setting, just follow these same steps and toggle the filter on or off at any time. Keeping your Discord messages secure doesn't have to be complicated. With this quick update, you're now protected from unwanted spam, so you can chat and game with peace of mind. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Stay safe out there, and enjoy your time on Discord.